Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from the SunPower. But before I go, let me just firstly take out this money here. Okay, color. Now I have 18,765 naira there. So I want to withdraw 18,700 naira now. I click on withdraw, then enter your bank account number, then enter the amount you want to withdraw. I want to withdraw 18,700. Note they will take a charges fee of 20% on every recharge every withdrawal you placed, and the minimum withdrawal is 1,000 naira. So you can read the withdrawal rules here. You can only withdraw once in a day. So just know that you can only withdraw once in a day. So I have typed the amount I want to withdraw now, which is 18,700 naira. It will remain 65 naira 42 kobo there. So click on withdraw. Then I need to type my withdrawal password. So I have typed my password. I click on OK. That is it. Operation succeed. Now let me go to my withdrawal record to see it's there. You will see that it's still on pending. So within some minutes now or hour, they will send the money to me. They will take away 3,740 as their charges record. Then I will receive 14,000 plus. Let me say 14,000 is 14,000 plus. I will receive 14,222 plus. So these are my withdrawal proof. These are my withdrawal proof. These are the amount I have withdrawn on the platform so far. As you can see, right from the day I start this platform, I've been withdrawing every day by day. As you can see them. Yeah, you can see them here. So now we wait. I need to pause the video. So after I receive the payment, I will continue the video again. By then you will see withdraw successfully on this 18,700 naira here. You will see withdraw successfully. So that means I have received the alert. So let me pause the video for now. I've received the payment after some hours. Now I've received the payment. Let me show it to you. As you can see, I withdraw 18,700 here. They take their charges of 3,740. So this is the withdrawal proof here. Let me show it to you. Let me show it. I'm coming. So this is the amount I receive. I withdraw 18,700. So they took the charges of 3,000. Let me check it. 3,740. So you can see the alert. Okay, I've already taken it away from here. Sorry, I have to show it to you in this ways. So this is the amount I received, 14,960 from my SunPower earnings, from my SunPower investment. So guys, SunPower is real and is paying. As you can see right now, I have in that money when I withdraw, I only have 65 naira left on my account. As you can see now, I now have about 4,000 plus Let me show it to you. I now have about 4,000 plus now, depending on the amount you recharge, depending on the amount of investment you put in, depending if you have referral, if you want to do referral stuff also, you can make money from there, but depending on the amount you put in, you can rent as many as you want. You can rent as many as you want, as you like. You can check them. This 90,000 naira will earn you 170 naira per hour. That is in a day. You'll be getting about 2,808 in a day. So depending on the amount you put in on the platform. So guys, this is my withdrawal proof for SunPower. As you can see, I've made a lot of withdrawal here, but I just say I should do this one for you guys, as many people are asking me how to withdraw, show me withdrawal proof. So I just have to show you this. Those people on my Telegram channel, they already know I'm withdrawing steadily on the platform. So guys, thank you for watching. If this is your first time on this channel and you have not subscribed to this channel, please use this opportunity to subscribe, so that anytime I drop another video such like this or more like this, you'll be the first person to see the video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and share. Goodbye.